First method, unfollow and refollow pages and friends. Go to your Facebook profile, tap on friends or pages you follow. Go to following list, and here you'll find all of your following pages and friends. Go ahead and unfollow friends and pages you no longer want post from. This resets what Facebook thinks you care about. Second method, manage your feed preferences. From your Facebook, tap this hamburger menu and then scroll down, tap on settings and privacy. Open your Facebook settings. In settings, scroll down. Tap on content preferences. Under what you see, tap on political content. And from here, you can enable political content for your Facebook news feed. Then tap on sensitive content. From here, you will be able to enable or disable sensitive content for your Facebook feed. Then go back and home, COE, tap on favorites. In here, you can add peoples to your favorite list to get more posts from their profile in your Facebook timeline or feed. And you can tap on unfollow, and from here you can go ahead and unfollow friends and pages to see less posts from their profile on your news feed. Tap on reconnect, and you can go ahead and reconnect or refollow to get more posts from their profile on your feed. The third method is clear search history. From your Facebook, tap the search at the top right corner, tap on see all, and now tap on clear all. Tap on clear all. This will clear your Facebook all search histories. This helps Facebook forget old preferences and reset recommendations. And the next method is just go to your Facebook and go to your timeline, scroll down and find out those posts you don't want to get in your news feed or timeline. Then tap this three dot and just tap on not interested. List suggested post in your feed will be like this. Just select not interested, then scroll down, find those posts you want to get more in your news feed. Just tap this three dot and tap on interested. More suggested posts in your feed will be like this. And this is how we can actually reset our Facebook news feed.